Are you struggling to get more traffic? Hey, what's going on? It's Ty here. So today, I want to share with you a really powerful strategy that I've learned from Russell Brunson. And that one is called a Dream 100. So this is actually what I learned during this year's Funnel Hacking Live. So he gave a presentation that's called Traffic Secrets, right? So I think that's really powerful. So you have to think about getting traffic isn't hard, but you don't want to create traffic. You want, because traffic is there. You cannot create traffic, but you want to show in front of your traffic. So this strategy is called Dream 100, right? So the first one is you want to define who is your target audience, who is your ideal customer. And because if you don't know who are you talking to, there's no way for you to create and offer a message for them. So then after you know your who, you want to list out your Dream 100. So a Dream 100 is the 100 most important, most influential people to your target audience. So if you want to sell maybe real estate course, maybe you think about who already have a list, who already owns an audience who got interested in real estate. Maybe you can say, oh, I see Darren Gaziosi, yeah, and maybe Robert Kiyosaki. So you list out all the influencers who have the audience. Then you want to show in front of their audience. So there are two ways you can do. The first one is you can work your way in, which means you have to maybe do a partnership with them, or you can show, you can do an interview with them, or you can JV with them, things like that. But you have to create content for their audience, and you want to show on them. So one of the things I like to do is I like to create review videos for my target, from my Dream 100, right? So it's if I learn something from maybe Russell Brunson, I will create a video, say, oh, how do I learn? Or what did I learn from Russell Brunson? So what I'm doing that, because when people are searching for Russell Brunson, they will see my video. So that's one of the strategy. I will try to show up to my target audience using my Dream 100's name, right? Another one is you can buy your way in, which means you can buy ads, right? You can show your videos directly to your target audience, but you don't want to say hey, I buy my thing. No, you want to say that, oh, I learned something from him. So you have to build a bridge because they didn't know you yet. So you have to say, oh, I learned this from Tony Robbins. Then you can show these ads to Tony Robbins fans, right? So that's how you build a bridge with their audience to you, right? Then you can also you can also join their class or join their coaching program. And that's a way that you can build a deeper relationship with your Dream 100. Then, if possible, if you have a relationship, maybe you get a more opportunity to partner together. So that's the strategy. So after you do all the things, you want to turn the traffic they own into the traffic you own. So so every time you show up to their traffic, you want to give them an offer. And in order for them to get this offer, they need to opt in or to subscribe to your email newsletter. So that's how you turn their traffic into your traffic. So that's the entire traffic strategy or the traffic secret from Russell Brunson. So if you want to learn more, I highly recommend you to grab Russell Brunson's new book, Traffic Secret. You can check a link below this video. There will be more information for you. So thanks for watching. If you like this channel, be sure to subscribe to that because I am sharing more marketing information, more about selling, about conversion. So thanks for watching. I'll see you soon in the next video.